Hello students of class 6. In our previous class we discussed about two micronutrients, that is vitamins and minerals. In our today's class we are going to discuss about two more nutrients, that is water and roughage. So water is referred to as the life of living things না আমি কি কওঁ যে পানীয়ে প্ৰাণীৰ প্ৰাণ এইটো তোমালোকে সৰুৰ পৰা শুনিছা না যে পানীয়ে প্ৰাণীৰ প্ৰাণ that means water is life for all living. Why? Because without water we can't even live for 3 to 4 days না আমি পানী নোহোৱাকৈ 3 বা 4 দিন তাতকৈ বেছি আমি জীয়াই থাকিব নোৱাৰোঁ. That's why water is extremely important for all living things na. So let's discuss about water. Water is extremely important for all living things. We have discussed that why water is very much important to us. In fact, the adult human body is about 60% water na. Eta adult human body মাজত the human body, it consists of 60% of water. That means আমাৰ যে বডি আছে, বডিত যি মাসলস আছে, যে বোনস আছে, তাৰে মাজত টোটাল 60% কি হয় ওয়াটার হয় না. It is taken in either directly by drinking or indirectly as a part of food. Water, when we require in our body, we directly drink it, or we may also get it from other sources like some fruits, some juices, some drinks, then like some fluid like milk, etc. না সেইবোৰৰ পৰা আমি কি পাওঁ ওয়াটাৰ পাওঁ, এণ্ড প্ৰয়োজন হ'লে আমি ওয়াটাৰটো ডাইৰেক্টলি কনজিউম কৰোৱে না. Then we are said to be dehydrated when the amount of water in our body decreases. When our body faces insufficient of water, then the condition that arises is said to be as dehydration না. যেতিয়া আমি ডিহাইড্ৰেশ্যন হোৱা বুলি কওঁ, যেতিয়া আমাৰ বডিত কি হয় ওয়াটাৰৰ সাপ্লাই কম হয় না. সো ডিহাইড্ৰেশ্যন হ'ব দিব নালাগে, আমি তাৰ কাৰণে কি কৰিব লাগে এবান্ডেন্ট অফ ওয়াটাৰ কনজিউম কৰি থাকিব লাগে না. বাই some time interval, let's say after 1 or 2 hours we should consume 1 or 2 glass of water. After every 1 or 2 hours na we should consume water like that. There are many reasons why water is important. Water kyo important hoy, for that there are many reasons. We will discuss that reason in detail. Okay, so students, there are some points given in your book why water is so much important for our body. Okay, we will discuss these points in detail. Many substances that our body needs are soluble in water. For example, vitamin C is soluble in water. Water is essential for proper functioning of the body. There are many nutrients like vitamin. There are some vitamins. Then we have discussed about sugar. They are soluble in water. So these nutrients needs water to dissolve in our body and show its effect na. For example, sugar আমাক কি দিয়ে এনার্জি দিয়ে, but before that it needs to dissolve in water. Similarly, vitamin C, which is a protective vitamin which protects our skin from various diseases na, this also require water for dissolving. Okay, now water is essential for proper functioning of the body. Without water our body will not function properly কাম নকৰিব আমাৰ বডি না. ঠিক আছে, water is the main component of blood which transports substances such as food waste, chemicals and gases through the body. The main component of our blood is water. তোমালোকে চাইছা blood is a fluid না, so it contains large amount of water in it. ঠিক আছে, and that blood helps for the transportation of food, for the transportation of oxygen to the various parts of the body, and also to transport the waste materials out of our body. Now the third point is it is used to excrete waste through urine and sweat. So in summer we do sweat na, that sweat contains many toxic substances na, so sweating helps in the removing of waste materials from our body. Similarly, the urine that also contains some dangerous toxic substances in it na, so urine helps to remove those toxic substances from our body. In this way, water helps to remove the toxic substance from our body and keeps our body clean. It keeps our body cool. The fourth point is it keeps our body cool. How does it keeps our body cool? In summer, when we feel very hot, then what happens? We sweat na, after evaporation of that sweat our body gets cool and we feel cool in summer days na. So students, look here now, an adult human needs around 1.5 liters of water every day. এজন এডাল্ট ব্যক্তিৰ কাৰণে দিনত কমসে কম 1.5 লিটাৰ water কি কৰিব লাগে, কনজিউম কৰিব লাগে, ঠিক আছে। আমি দিনত কমসে কম 1.5 লিটাৰ water কি কৰিব লাগে, কনজিউম কৰিব লাগে। we can live without food for several weeks না, আমি 2-3 সপ্তাহ একো নোখোৱাকৈ বাচি থাকিব পাৰিম, but without water we can't live few days. Okay, we'll able to live only 2 or 3 days na, after that we will die if we do not get enough supply of water. The next nutrients is the rough phase. We have seen earlier that cellulose, a carbohydrate in plant, cannot be digested. Okay, আমি পাইছিলো না, ডিসকাস কৰিছিলো when we are discussing about this carbohydrate. There we got 3 forms of carbohydrate na. The first one was sugar, the second one was starch, and third one was cellulose. So cellulose is very hard and tough in nature, which can't be digested by most of the mammals. We have discussed these things earlier na. So this makes up the bulk of the undigested food and helps to excrete solid waste from our body. So কি কৰে, রাফেজে কত হেল্প কৰে আমাক, রাফেজে হেল্প কৰে আমাৰ এই আমি খোৱা বস্তু খোৱাৰ পিছত, সাপোজ আমি প্ৰটিন খাবৰ কাৰণে আমি কি খালোঁ, প্ৰটিন পাবৰ কাৰণে আমি মাংস খালোঁ, ঠিক আছে। তো আমি যে মাংস খাইছোঁ বা মিট বা চিকেন যে কনজিউম কৰিছোঁ, তাৰ মাজত গোটেইখিনি প্ৰটিন নহয়, তাৰে মাজত কিছুমান ৱেষ্ট মেটেৰিয়েলছো থাকে। Similarly, every food items contain some waste materials that needs to be removed from our body, and roughage helps to remove those things from our body. roughage কি কৰে, it got mixed up with those substances. খোৱাৰ পিছত যিবোৰ ৱেষ্ট মেটেৰিয়েলছ আমাৰ জমা হৈ থাকে সেইবোৰৰ লগত কি হয়, মিক্স আপ হৈ কাৰণে কি কৰে, এটা বাল্ক মেটেৰিয়েল ক্ৰিয়েট কৰে, ঠিক আছে। বাল্ক মানে ডাঙৰ সাইজৰ এটা মেটেৰিয়েল ক্ৰিয়েট কৰে, that we called as waste material of our body, আৰু সেইটো কি কৰে, after sometimes it is thrown out of the body. So in this way roughage helps to keep our body clean and so including roughage in our diet prevents constipation and ensures proper bowel movement na. So আমি এনশিওর কৰিব লাগে যে আমি আমাৰ ডায়েটত সদায় লাৰ্জ এমাউণ্ট অফ ৰাফেজ আমি কনজিউম কৰি আছোঁ। যদি নকৰোঁ দেন উই উইল সাফাৰ ফ্ৰম কনষ্টিপেশ্যন. ইট ইজ এ কণ্ডিশ্যন where it becomes very difficult to excrete the waste materials from our body. This condition is called constipation. So to prevent us from constipation we should consume lots of roughage in our with our daily diet na. So it will ensure proper bowel movement. Bowel movement is the removing of the waste materials from our body. Okay students, thank you, have a nice day. We will discuss the next topic, that is balanced diet, in our next class in detail. That's an important topic, so we will do it in one class. Okay, thank you students, have a nice day.